This is the Technology Supported Collaboration mini course, Lecture 10 out of 10, Write Your Own Plan. So, as we bring this course to a close, we have one final assignment for you and then some reflections. That final assignment you can find in the Moodle course. It is for you to put together your own communications covenant. We want you to start with the risk factors you've identified from the wizard, from your own reflections, from the material that you've studied here. We want you to take the template that we're offering you and some of the sample covenants and the things that you feel are a priority and put together a covenant that will guide your group as you go forward. Depending on how long you've been working together, you may feel that the entire project just seems too remote. This is 3 years and you've just been starting working together. If that's the case, focus your covenant around getting the proposal done. What are you going to do in the next 2 to 3 months that will get you to the next stage of the project? If you've been working together for a bit, you might want to just document the practices that you have, reflect on what's working, reflect on what you want to change. But recognize this is an assignment not so that somebody's going to go off and grade you. This is not an assignment so that you can check off a box. This is a tool for you. This is something that you should be posting, put it up prominently in your folder on the drive, in your team workspace. Use it, revisit it, change it when you feel it's not working, and use it as an opportunity to guide you not only in this project, but as you start other projects in realizing what works for you as a set of collaborators as you're trying to collaborate effectively. So with that, I wanted to take a moment for some final thoughts. Gary, as we're going off and this group is setting off and getting to work, any last advice you have as we think about how to help them overcome the challenges of distance, both physical and conceptual?
Well, I think the bottom line is we'd like to make this as enjoyable an experience as possible. I mean, working on anything is challenging. Working on something where you're not all together all the time is extra challenging. We have some experience with this and some little fragments of wisdom about what can make this more fun for you. Because I think at the end of 3 years, I would hope you'd come away from this saying, God, that was a whole lot of fun to do that. And there are going to be obstacles along the way, surprises, things that you didn't think about, and so on. But we want to give you both the technical and the social resources to deal with those kinds of things, so that, in fact, it ends up on the whole being something that you really enjoyed participating in.
I guess the one thing I would add to that is, when you run into problems, get help. We have, teams of people here, mentors, folks who are experienced in these techniques who are happy to provide advice, maybe even post something in our discussion forums and just see if other people are running into the same problem. They may have gotten there first and found a solution. But also, when you find something that works really well, share that too. Let us know about your successes. Let others in the program know about your successes. Let's all have the chance to benefit from learnings that each of us work our way through as we move forward.
Well, I can say I'd be delighted if I could learn some new things about this interesting topic.
So with that, we're going to bring this course on technology-supported collaboration to a close. We'll send you off to write your own plan, and we look forward to hearing from you and seeing you in the future.